Well, if I have to pick one teacher, one person, it would undoubtedly be my father, who always encouraged me to be curious. You know how when we're small, we keep asking why, until people, stop answering our questions. Well, my father never hesitated to address all of my whys from a very young age. I can think in particular of one anecdote that happened very early on. I was fascinated by the phosphorescence of the display of my alarm clock. And I was wondering, I noticed if you bring it close to a light, it would phosphoresce more brightly. I was wondering if you could change the color of that phosphorescence. So I took a blue lid from a peanut butter jar, and I took a red lid from a chocolate spread jar, and I basically shone the light through these different colored lids, expecting to see the phosphorescent turn red or blue. It didn't, but something really peculiar happened. When I shone the light through the red one, it completely killed the phosphorescence. So I could put it close to a light, bright, shine through the red one, dark. I went to my father and I said, how can this be? He was completely stumped, and he was a physicist. So he actually took it to his work. I must have been 6 or 7 at the time. And 2 days later, he came back and he said, what you actually saw there was a very interesting phenomenon that has to do with the quenching, he didn't use that term, of phosphorescence. I think it's because of that I became an experimental physicist.